New Jersey Highway Access Permit Restoration Bond. What is a Highway Access Permit Restoration Bond? Well, simply put, it's a type of surety bond required by the New Jersey Department of Transportation from individuals or entities seeking permits for new highway access or modifications to existing highway access points. When a property owner or developer applies for a permit to construct a new driveway, modify an existing access point, or make any changes that could impact highway access, the NJDOT may require them to obtain a Highway Access Permit Restoration Bond. This bond acts as a guarantee that the property will be restored to its original condition if any damage occurs during construction or modification activities. So, how does it work? Let's break it down. First, the application. The property owner or developer submits an application for a highway access permit to the NJDOT. As part of the application process, they may be required to provide a highway access permit restoration bond. Now, on to the bond requirement. If the NJDOT determines that a bond is necessary, the property owner or developer must obtain the bond from a surety bond company. The bond amount is typically determined based on the estimated cost of restoring the property in the event of damage. Then comes the bond issuance. Once the bond is obtained, it is submitted to the NJDOT as part of the permit application. The bond serves as a financial guarantee that the property will be restored or compensated for any damage caused by highway construction or modifications. Regarding project completion, if the highway construction or modification project is completed without causing any damage to the property, the bond remains in place but is not utilized. However, if damage occurs, the property owner can file a claim against the bond to cover the cost of restoration or compensation. And finally, the claim process. In the event of damage, the property owner files a claim with the surety bond company, providing evidence of the damage and the associated costs of restoration or compensation. The surety bond company investigates the claim, and if it is found to be valid, compensates the property owner up to the bond amount. Bond release. Once the damage is repaired or compensation is provided, the NJDOT may release the bond, effectively closing out the permit process. To learn more, please visit swiftbonds.com.